Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones EDIFIER STAX S5. In the previous video I already showed how to perform it using application, and if you don't know how, you can check that video. But we can also use controls to perform a factory reset. To do this, you need to find Bluetooth button, what located at the right ear cup, right here near to the volume down and USB-C port, we have it. And you need to press 5 times this Bluetooth button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it starts flashing white really quick, and then it enter to pairing mode. Mean that we did it. Now we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget the device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and if you have iOS, you need to or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth or just go back and return here. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you just tap on them at the device list. And we have connection, we just reconnected, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!